Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you how you can lock your USB drive to restrict unauthorized access to your personal files. To do it, simply head over to this web page. I'll give the link in the video description and click on download here. From here, click on Windows PC on this website to download the tool. Once downloaded, simply copy this tool and paste it in your pen drive. After pasting it, simply right click over the tool and run it as administrator. Now it will ask you to set a pin. So set a pin. I am setting it to 4 digits and click on lock. Once you lock it, all your files will get hidden. Now your USB drive will show as locked with only 16 KB in size. But don't worry, your all files are intact inside. To view your files again, simply run the software as administrator. Give the unlock code, and that's it. All of your files will show up again. Now if you accidentally delete this file or someone else deletes it, so what you can do in that scenario, simply head over to the web page and download the tool again and copy and paste the tool in your pen drive. Now run it as administrator and give your code and click on unlock, and that's it. Your all files will show up again. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.